Okay guys, as you know, I posted a video called Sneeze, and as you saw by the title, this is after sneeze. So life after sneeze has been a lot. Not a lot of people would be able to mentally deal with what I've been dealing with. I can't go anywhere without being recognized. Like, try the grocery store? No, thank you. Like, Postmates is my holy grail at this point. If I go anywhere in public, just to take my dog out in my apartment complex, I have paparazzi, news channels, fans, everybody's coming up at me. Last I checked, the president was debating whether they should ban me from America. I can't do anything anymore. The famous life is a hard one, guys. I probably am going to quit YouTube now and post 4 videos about me quitting YouTube. Not for publicity, not for the views, not for anybody else but myself. Just preparing you, because at this point I can't take it. There's so much paparazzi, so many fans, the flashing cameras and my lights it's giving me anxiety. I don't know what to say. I've had to hire a bodyguard. It's ridiculous. It's stupid. This shouldn't be my life, but it is. I have to constantly have hair and makeup with me at all times. I can't have a bad photo circle around the internet. That would be tragic. I wish I never uploaded Sneeze.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to hold a straight face. Okay, okay.
I wish I never uploaded Sneeze.
Stop! Sorry. I wish I never uploaded Sneeze.
I'm the better actor. I wish I never uploaded Sneeze.
Please start over.
I wish I never uploaded Sneeze. My life. I don't have it anymore. It's not mine. It's the public's life at this point. I can't even go to Target, the place that makes me the happiest, without having everybody follow me. It's like a little parade. All the children, adults, old ladies, old men, everyone. I just can't do it.
Old ladies.
Casey!
I'm sorry, I'm trying, okay.
In conclusion, life after Sneeze has been a pain. Paparazzi, fans, I can't go anywhere. The mall, the grocery store, even at my own school, high school. The entire cafeteria is one gigantic table so everyone can sit with me. It's horrible.